Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2008 Yamaha XT250, and this will be a quick video on the Sissy bar attachment for the KEMIMOTO Enduro rack. The Sissy bar provides additional points for attaching a backpack, or for just loading up extra gear on your motorcycle. The only tools required for installation are a 13mm wrench and a 5mm hex wrench. There are links in the description for everything I used. Attaching the Sissy bar to the KEMIMOTO Enduro rack takes just a couple minutes with the included hardware. It provides a sturdy place to carry just about anything you'd need. And the location of the Sissy bar leaves plenty of room for the rider that could be used for mounting even more luggage. Get yours at the link below. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.